Norway begins where the mountains meet the sea, fjords carved by ice, standing silent for 1,000 years. Silent for 1,000 years, along these quiet shores, time slows down. A single cabin, a still reflection, the whisper. Ships pass gently through walls of stone, dwarfed by cliffs that rise 1,000 feet into the sky. 1,000 feet into the sky. Here life moves at the rhythm of water, calm, patient, unhurried beneath the watch of snow. The seven sisters fall from the mountain's edge, threads of silver catching the morning light. Further north, the Lofoten Islands rise from turquoise water, granite giants guarding untouched beaches. The Atlantic never rests here. Wave after wave carves the Blackstone coast into something eternal. And in summer, the sun refuses to set, painting the sky in endless shades of gold. High above the fjord, Trolltunga stretches into open air, a single step between earth and sky. Between earth and sky, at Pulpit Rock, the mist lifts slowly, revealing a view that has humbled travelers for generations. Beyond the clouds, the Jotunheimen Range unfolds, ancient peaks watching over glacial lakes of blue. Deep within the ice, the glacier tells its own story, carved slowly, patiently, over centuries.
Meltwater rivers wind through the valley, feeding a land that has never stopped changing. On the high plateau, reindeer wander freely, untouched by the world below.
Through narrow mountain passes, wildflowers bloom against the last patches of winter snow. Clouds drift over the summit, shifting the light across the valley like a living painting. In rain, red cabins rest on wooden stilts, a village suspended between mountain and sea. In Bergen, the old wharf still stands, centuries of history painted in wood and color. Deep in the forest, an ancient stave church rises, older than the nation itself. Along a quiet road, a white church watches over sheep grazing on the hillside. In Nylesund, rooftops glow at dusk, a city rebuilt in beauty after the flames of the past. As evening falls, a fisherman returns home, his boat gliding silently into the harbor. And when night falls, the sky itself comes alive, the aurora dancing in green and violet light. Its reflection glimmers across the frozen lake, as if the heavens had touched the earth. In a warm cabin below, life continues quietly beneath the glow of the northern sky. The fjord becomes a mirror, doubling the aurora's dance across still, dark water. Even the smallest village shares in this wonder, wrapped in snow and shifting light. Above Lofoten, the stars and aurora move together in silence, as they have for centuries. As dawn returns, mist lifts from the fjord, and the light of a new day begins. This is Norway, where mountains, sea, and sky remain exactly as they have always been.